to 65. Look at that.
Wait, what? I can't even see it. Like an aerial.
Oh. Oh, maybe sure.
Yeah.
Just watching.
I'm not in York yet. I don't have color.
Ali. Sorry. Bringing. That was bad in my ear. Ouch. All right. Can we see the first dish from Chef Tom Wood? I'll come around. I'll talk to Tom about his creation and what he wants to say about it. Tom, you had the first plate turned in. What do you have to tell us about your plate here?
It is the radish root and spinach salad with some fried potatoes, steak medallions cooked in medium rare, and some roasted asparagus. They're kind of traditional.
Great. What is it about beef that you like cooking now? What inspires you to cook with beef?
I guess I've always, I grew up on a dairy farm in BC, and I've always loved beef, and it's pretty much one of my favorite proteins to work with. And it's also reasonably unforgiving.
Do you have advice for our students in the crowd today?
If this is what you really want to do, find yourself a good mentor and go do it.
Great, thanks. It looks fantastic. Looks delicious. Chef Christine, just finished up your plate. Give us a little rundown of what you have going on here.
Well, I wanted to do a grand slam for breakfast, so I have quinoa, saskatoon berry pancake. I use the radishes as hash browns, hash with the Jamaican spice as well as the peppers. Meat ribeye is my favorite type of cut, so I want to have that there with the egg, which makes its own sauce. But then I also use the artisan choke to make kind of a hollandaise sauce to add to it.
Hollandaise people.
What is it about ribeye that you like? Because a lot of people say that that's their favorite cut of beef. What is it that you like about it?
Fat content is really well marbled usually, and it's really tender and juicy. So breakfast is my favorite meal, so I thought I'd probably best.
Awesome, it looks great. Were there any challenges with the black box that you found?
Not so much challenge, but I had more intentions to do a lot of concepts, and I thought I had time for it.
All right, thank you very much. They both look delicious. Both of them used a little bit of the Be a Kitchen Hero Jamaican bobsled seasoning that was in their black box. They both used, I think all the ingredients looks like went into their dishes, so we're good on that one. And they both are very different takes on beef. So it just shows us how versatile we can be with very similar cuts of beef, but two very different uses, different meals, and they both look delicious. I wish I would have signed up to be a judge and not an MC.